Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Intel channel. Today we'll find out whether switching to Kaspa is beneficial for Ethereum holders. Before we start the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the bell icon so you can always stay up to date on what's happening in the market. It takes you literally a second, but for me it's motivation to improve the quality and level of the videos on the channel. We have a lot to discuss, so let's get started right away. Kaspa has spent much of the past year trying to prove that it deserves a place in conversations usually dominated by larger blockchain networks. Ethereum remains the second largest cryptocurrency by market value, yet some analysts believe the gap between the two projects may not tell the whole story. That debate returned this week after crypto analyst Eric laid out a detailed case for why some Ethereum holders may want to consider Kaspa. His argument focused on technology, valuation, and the upcoming Toccata hard fork. Another development also caught attention. A fresh update related to Kaspa wallet infrastructure offered a reminder that ecosystem development continues behind the scenes. Eric's thesis revolves around one central idea. Ethereum may already be a mature network, but Kaspa could still have much of its growth story ahead of it. He pointed to Kaspa's blockDAG architecture as one of the network's biggest advantages. Unlike traditional blockchains that process blocks in a linear sequence, Kaspa processes multiple blocks in parallel. That design allows the network to achieve high throughput without abandoning proof-of-work security. Eric noted that Kaspa currently processes around 10 blocks per second and aims to increase that figure much further over time. Lower fees and fast confirmations remain key parts of the KAS narrative. Valuation also plays a major role in the argument. Ethereum commands a market capitalization above $200 billion. Kaspa remains a much smaller project with a market value near $800 million. Eric believes that gap creates a different risk and reward profile for investors looking for higher growth opportunities. Another part of the thesis centers on the upcoming Toccata hard fork. The planned upgrade is expected to introduce features such as native tokens, covenants, Silverscript programmability, and additional functionality that could expand what developers can build on the network. Eric compared the opportunity to Ethereum's early smart contract era. His view is that Kaspa could enter a new phase if the upgrade succeeds and developer activity follows. Kaspa ecosystem development continues beyond the Toccata upgrade. Technology upgrades are only part of the story. Infrastructure development remains equally important for any blockchain network hoping to attract users. That reality appeared in a recent update from Tangem regarding dynamic address support for Kaspa. The company explained that Kaspa's architecture differs from Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, and other UTXO-based networks. Because of those differences, implementation requires a separate development process. Tangem stated that Kaspa remains a priority and confirmed that work continues on the feature. No release date was provided. The company explained that additional validation and technical work are required before deployment. The update may not carry the excitement of a major protocol upgrade, yet it shows that companies serving the crypto industry continue to dedicate resources to Kaspa support. Ecosystem growth often depends on these less visible developments that improve user experience over time. Kaspa price prediction shows multiple possible outcomes for KAS through 2027. The latest discussion arrives shortly after our recent Kaspa price prediction report, which explored several possible paths for KAS price through 2026 and 2027. The bearish outlook assumes Bitcoin remains under pressure and capital stays concentrated in larger assets. Under those conditions, KAS could remain below $0.05 for an extended period. The base case assumes broader crypto market recovery continues. Continued development across the Kaspa ecosystem could help KAS recover toward the 0.06 to 0.12 range. A stronger bull market combined with successful execution of major network upgrades could open the door for a retest of Kaspa's previous all-time high near 21 cents. Further upside toward 25 cents to 30 cents becomes possible if demand remains strong and ecosystem activity expands. One important question remains unanswered. New technology alone does not guarantee adoption. Future KAS price performance may depend heavily on whether developers build applications that create sustained network usage after new functionality arrives. Your plans, hopes, and expectations are for it. The best and most engaging comment will be featured in the next video. Just a reminder, friends, informational and news videos are posted on the channel every day, so you won't get bored here. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so you're always up to date on all the latest news. And if you liked this video, please support me with a like. Your like is my motivation. Thanks to everyone for watching and see you next time.